morning. This is Luke Barzi with Liberian First Trusted Food Foundation. And what we have here, we have different kind of a series of solar panel. Our solar panel just came, and next week we're also expecting 4. So we have 4 large panels here, and then 1 miniature panel. So we have these 2 here, and then we have 2 that is yet unboxed. So this is called the inverters. So this is for the small solar panels. It inverts the energy back into the battery bank. So it takes the energy from the sun and charges the battery, right? But anyways, next week we'll try to show you guys how to set these things up, and also we're gonna start basically showing you guys step by step from the setup of the solar panel to growing the seeds. What we have here, we have, just for now, we have 1 pound of seeds each. Okay, we have basil, so on and so forth. And one thing that I want you guys to pay attention to, everything in this greenhouse is going to be organic. All the bags will read organic. Large leafy greens, organic. Everything in here is going to be organic. So, with that being said, we have a large air pump here. This is a commercial air pump, and those 2 white boxes are air stone. So those things kind of germinate oxygen into the water. We have about 200 to 300 gallons of water in here in each tote, and we will hold a couple fishes in here that will germinate. That will create that waste we need to get that nutrient for our plants. And right here, I want to show you guys, this is called a deep water culture. So this place is going to be filled with water up to this line, and then we're going to have, let's say, a styrofoam that would just float, and also our the root plants, or the root of that plant, will submerge into that water, and that's how the plants get the nutrient it needs to grow. And how all that works. So we have a connector that's going to connect from this toe and comes down to the biofilter. In this biofilter, we have a machine in here that pumps the water throughout the ground, and it goes in the system here and also into the NFT system. Okay, the NFT is the white pipes with the opening. And right here, I want to point this out. We just get this done. So we roll up this side here, and then we added insects netting. The purpose of the insects netting is to keep the insects out of the greenhouse, keep this nice and cool, and also insects free. So that's the whole idea behind this here. So back to the solar panels. We're gonna have about 8 solar panels in here that are gonna power up the entire greenhouse. We're gonna have maybe 4 on this side, and then 4 on that side, and they're all gonna connect to one huge battery bank. Now the reason why I want to split it up is because on this side, this is where the sun sets, okay, and then on that other side, that's where the sun rises. So from sunrise to sunset, we'll be having energy for the greenhouse. And I want to show you guys one more thing here. This is the microgreen station. Excuse the mess. Everything right now is really messy, but once the final solar panel gets here, we're going to really clean this up and make sure everything, all the grass is gone, and we have barts in here. So this station holds about 97 trays of microgreens if we want to grow microgreens. And if people order a different variety of microgreens, this is where it's all going to grow. And what we put in this tray here to grow microgreens, many people use soil, but since we're a soil-free farmer, we're using a hydroponic mat. So let me show you what that looks like here. So this is a hydroponic mat. So all you do here is you cut the mat to the size of the tray. You get this, of course, nice and moist, and you open your seeds. Some people like to soak their seeds for maybe a day or so, because it really increases the germination rate, but it's not necessary. You don't have to do that. So like I was saying, you cut the mat to the size of this tray, get that nice and moist. You take your seed, you sprinkle it on top, and then we use this here. This is This is a mixture. So of course we're going to fill this up with a lot of water, pump, and then we mist the seeds. You can hear that little hissing sound. It creates pressure in there. So when you get it nice and pressurized, and you spray that, get it all nice and moist, and then all you do is you just cover it up for some days, let it sit in there, and then you open it back up, and there you go. You have a microgreen. A very simple, clean way of agriculture. So this is what we have for you guys right now. So stay tuned. Next week, like I said, we're going to have detailed information of how to set up your solar panels, how to grow these things, and what the system's supposed to look like at the end of everything. So once again, my name is Luke with Liberia First Trusted Food Foundation, and you guys stay tuned. One more thing, we have this here. I love this because it's so small, right? It's so small, but yet this instrument here is extremely powerful. This is a grow light, LED grow light. This thing takes about 600 watts. So this thing, as small as it is, if you hook this thing up, you can power up this whole entire table here with LED grow light that really help the plants germinate. So it's very small. It's extremely powerful. Like I said, it's 600 watts. So once this thing is all said and done, I mean, you guys will love it. The reason why we took long is because we have to infrastructure everything from zero again. So it's coming along. We're basically there. So just next week, you guys will be seeing what we're doing in terms of planting stuff. So have a good day, and definitely I'm looking forward to talking to you guys next week. So that's it for now. So you guys have a good day.